Traditionally, efforts have been focused on meeting fire system regulations, such as visual inspections and functional testing, in order to satisfy compliance requirements, and those partnered with Siemens have had ongoing success in this area. But as the influence of data and efficiency on system reliability continues to grow, building operations are evolving. And compliance alone is no longer enough. Harsh realities are mounting. You're navigating more systems connected, greater amounts of data, additional training needs, and manually labor-intensive processes. Not only are organizations realizing that compliance does not equal safety, but that real protection requires intelligent safety. Smarter protection matters. And by shifting your approach with advanced fire safety digital services, you'll cost-effectively improve safety, increase efficiency, and support business continuity. Reach out to learn more.